Good afternoon. Another visit to the Mel Show. And we have a very special show today, a very important instructional video on the topic of how to properly prepare your socks for walking with shoes when you reach the age of 75 and above. Now, a common problem with people in that age group is that their feet are swelled up, and it's a constant problem getting the proper pair of socks because they difficult to put them on the swelled foot. So I solved this problem with the help of my son David. The first thing to note is when you get a pair of socks, use your scissor and make a slight cut in the sock, as you see here, and you do it on both sides, by the way, both sides. And this gives a little more stretch to the sock. So when you put it on your foot, it reduces the swelling, you see. That's number one. That's a very important thing. So you need a scissor, and you need to make the cut and on both sides, and then pretty soon you have a really good pair of socks for walking. Now here's a tip that I actually got from my son that is extremely important. But in a sock, you often have that feeling it doesn't feel comfortable, rubbing, there's some kind of a stitch here. Very good solution. You take the sock and you take it inside out, and you wear your sock inside out like this, you see. And the problem disappears in short order. So another valuable tip for today from Mel. You might want to wonder, how do I actually put on a pair of socks? There's a foot, and then you put the sock on your foot, and you notice that there's not much swelling here. You see, there's a bit of a tear here, but that allows you to walk quite comfortably. So, in any event, that's my tip today concerning socks, and I wear them in good health.